Well guys, this is a donation that was given to me there about a month ago roughly, and it's a Motorola power supply. It is a heavy duty 25 amp power supply. Just want to show you, this is like brand new, never been used. Like it's never ever been used, like ever. It's amazing. It's still tie wrapped up. The AC core is still tied up. Like, this thing is mint. Like, there's not a scratch on this thing. Not a scratch. And it's quite heavy, to say the least. So I just figured I'd do a little video here tonight. And if I can do it, is the inside and out of this Motorola power supply. This is the rear end of it. You get these couple power transistors here, M969Bs, two of them, and we have a label here, and the model of this is, if we can see it, looks like model XT1828A. It's set for 120 volts, 60 hertz, 6.25 amps, 14 volts, 25 amp. It's quite the brute. I'm gonna see now if I can get the cover off of this and have a wee peek on the inside. I haven't seen the inside of one of these yet, so I figured, you know something, why don't we all have a little look inside, see how well built this Motorola power supply is. She's quite the beast, I gotta say. Okay boys, there's the insides of this humongous power supply. There's the main transformer. Terminal strip down there, all the wiring connected to it. AC switch behind this cardboard. Here's the big 40 amp fuse, the glass fuse is underneath there. You can just see it. The big old filter capacitors. Man, oh man. Thing's a monster. And inside the cover is this label wiring diagram of the terminal strip. How it's supposed to be hooked up. So if anybody has one of these and not sure how it's done, that's how she's wired up. So I'll just turn her this way. So if you want to pause this and draw out that circuit, now's your chance. But that corresponds to the terminal strip right here. What a monster. And it's held together by these bolts, stainless steel bolts, and even got foam that sits on top of the capacitors here. But still got another sub chassis here that more wiring would be underneath it, but I'm not pulling this all apart. It's just not doing it. But that's the insides, boys. What a monster. 25 amp. What are these? Let's see, these are 17,500 microfarad. 20 volt DC. 17,500 microfarad each. Holy mackerel. She's highly filtered, that's for sure. Big label right on the top. Caution, high voltage, disconnect cord before servicing. Yes, I dare say. Anyways, figured you guys might be interested in seeing that. So, I just gotta figure out how I'm going to use this. I just wonder if I should put binding posts on the front of this, or leave it like it is. What do you guys think? Anyways, all the best. Hope you enjoyed the video. And of course, subscribe, comment, and thumbs up on the video if you like this one. And of course, share the video as well. Anyway guys, take her easy, and we'll chat later. This is Reno 63, out.